Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 BMW 530e. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The BMW 530e, the luxury performance sedan that's designed with planet Earth in mind. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Ditch the performance anxiety. Drive the 530e and feel good about it.